Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you that if you are facing a problem and you cannot see your Bluetooth icon here in Windows 11, then you should do one thing, and I'm going to show you that one for sure. And when you are going to come in start, and in start you are going to like come to setting. If you don't see setting, you are going to write here setting, and the first icon which you are going to see, it is a setting. You have to click on setting, and then you will come in Bluetooth and devices, and here you have Bluetooth which is on. It means that your Bluetooth is on, there is no problem. But you are going to come in devices, click on devices and come to the bottom, and here you have more Bluetooth setting, and that window will open. Now you can see show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area is disabled or it is checkout, but you are going to check in, and you are going to click apply. Check here, there is no icon. When I'm going to click apply, you will see the icon. Now you can just receive or send file, or you can show devices, add Bluetooth devices, whatever you want. I hope you got the idea and Bluetooth devices to find this PC. Maybe you are going to check in or check out. There is not a problem, and there is a quick fix. If you have any problem or if you want to ask anything, just write that in comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.